Hello friends, hope you are fine. Now I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 2, page number 41, and today's topic is animals. So easy topic. Let's start. First time it is written in number exercise here. Write the name of these animals. The pictures are given. We have to write their name. So we can start from this place. This is what? This is lion. Then this one is what? This one is giraffe. We can write here giraffe. Then its name is what? Hedgehog. Hedgehog. And this animal's name is, I think you know all. This one is bear. And we have got here one. It is kangaroo. Kangaroo. Now next one. Here one, we can write its name. This one is squirrel. Squirrel. Next, this is, we know its name is camel. Next, last one, this one is donkey. Now we will do B number exercise. See, here it's written, write the name of the animal that will complete each sentence. You will find them in the list on the left. Where is the list? In this place there is the list. From this place we will complete this blank. So let's start. First one, here one number is the dash is covered with sharp spines and can roll itself into a ball when attacked. Do you know which one? Actually, hedgehog can do this. So we'll write it here in this place, but there is not enough space, so I'm writing here hedgehog. You have to put it in this place. Keep it, remember. Next one, the dash has a long trunk and strong tusks. We know everybody who is he. Elephant. So we'll write its name in this place. Elephant. 3 number, the dash has a hump on its back and can carry people and goods across the desert. Which one? We know this one, but we have to take it from this place. This is camel. So write it here. Camel. Don't forget to put it in this place. Same thing. This one. Okay, next one, 4 number. The dash has a spotted skin and a very long neck. We know that's name. That's name is what? Giraffe. Is there this one? Yes. So we have to put it here. Giraffe. Next one, the dash has a bushy tail that curls over its back. What's the name of that animal who has bushy tail and curls over its back? We know that one is squirrel. So I'm writing its name. Squirrel. Next one, the dash is a cunning animal that steals chickens. Oh, or which one? That is fox. So we will write here its name, fox. 7 number, the dash is called the king of beasts. Its loud roar frightens many animals. We know its name, that is lion. So write it here, lion. 8 number, the dash is a stubborn animal with very long ears. It is sometimes called an ass. We know its name, that is donkey. So in this place we will write its name, donkey. Now it is the turn of 9 number. The dash has strong hind legs that enable it to move forward in great leaps. What is the name of these animals? This animal's name is what? Kangaroo. Write it here. Kangaroo. Last one, 10 number. A dash has a shaggy coat and strong claws. It can hug a person to death. Oh my god, which one? This one, bears. This is last one. I'm writing it here. Today we have done page number 41 from Junior English Book 2. The topic's name is animals. Next day we'll do a comprehension that is from page number 42 and its name is the fox and the goat. Bye for today.